Now that I know what the shape's supposed to look like, if I can make it based on looking at that working drawing, then I'm in good shape. If I can't, this tutorial is here to help you make that shape. There's multiple ways to make it, but I'm just going to show you one. I'm going to click on Sketch, click on Front, click on Front. Here we are. I'm just going to start making the outside square, which I know is 1 by 1. One by one, right? And this one has a hole in it in the center. So I'll find the center point over here, the center point over here. And I'll come up to the middle where I see those two dots converge. And this one's supposed to be 0.333. 0.333. Enter. Now I'll go to extrude. There's two shapes. I do not want to extrude the inside. I only want to extrude the outside, right? Like this. So that's what my shape looks like. And I'll click OK. So in our model, in the diagram, there's another block right next to it. So in order to draw that block, I need to draw on this shape. So I'm going to do sketch. Where am I sketching? On this side. And this one is going to be a triangle. As long as I go to point, they will come out as 1 to 1, just like I want. Now go to extrude. I'll extrude that block. I want to extrude it 1 inch. I'll click OK. I can see I'm almost there. Now I have a triangle over here. And this one gets a little tricky. I'm going to show you a trick. We're going to do the same exact thing we did before. I'm going to draw a square right here. As long as I get them in the corners, they will be 1 to 1. I'm going to extrude it 1 inch. And I'm going to have that 3 inches. And you're like, but Mr. Pros, this should be a triangle. So here's my next idea. I'm going to take a sketch tool. I'm going to sketch on this face. I'm going to take a square again. I'm going to make a 1 inch by 1 inch square here. So I'm going to have to do 1, enter, 1, enter. And I'm going to take this line tool now. And I'm going to put it right down the middle. And I'm going to go to extrude. And there's two pieces. I only want to extrude this one. So I'm going to unclick this one. And you'll see it's, excuse me, I should, oh no, that's right. No, that's not right. I need to unclick this one in this case, and I'll show you why. Because I want to click remove. And when I click remove, you'll see what it's removing. I want to remove this block. So I unclick the bottom, remove that 1 inch, and now you'll see my shape starting to come together. So the final step is I need to do a cylinder right up here. Click sketch, click the top. I'll look at the top now. I'm going to do a square, and I'm going to get it right on that point. And I'm going to make this 1 by 1, 1, 1. And I'm going to take a cylinder. I'm going to find the dead center of it, come to the middle. And I know this needs to be 1 inch. 1, enter. And I will extrude it. Now remember, there's 5 things that could be extruded here. We only want to extrude this middle piece. So I'm going to unclick here, unclick here, unclick here, unclick here. So I'm only extruding this. See that? I'll click the check mark, and there's my shape. The next video, I will show you how to make it into the working drawing.